friends. Welcome. It is Friday morning and it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and y'all are getting a little look of the behind the scenes of the show, getting ready to go live, literally. And this is your invitation. If you've never joined me for the live shopping show, today is your lucky day, because I would love to have you come and join me. So you can watch the show here on social media, but I just want to be sure you're aware that we have a free phone app where you can not only have more features, but you can actually participate in the giveaway when you're inside the app, as well as carry on with all the other viewers, and there's always a great conversation going on. So would love to have you join me. Today I am doing, it's kind of like a what's going on the farm, what we're starting, what we're doing, and the stuff I do it with, and I show you how. Today I am troubleshooting seed starting and seedling stuff. And that'll be really, really great. And we have a new special limited time opportunity for a Valentine's gift you do not want to miss for your sweetie, which you can just let us ship it straight to them, y'all. So we have that, and let's see what else. I'm going to be seed sowing. I'll be demonstrating soil blocking, and I'm going to be talking about the scabious seed dilemma, because the seeds are coming two different ways, and we get so many questions at this time of the year because they're cool flowers, right? So we're starting all of those, and I just hope you'll join me, because we'll be showing all this good stuff, and we just have a lot of fun. It's from 12 noon Eastern time till 1 o'clock, so get a beverage, get your lunch, and just settle in for an hour of really fun, and just can't wait to see you there. And to get our app, if you don't already have it, it's free. You'll find it over on the Your Phone's App Store. Just search Gardener's Workshop, and we actually have two apps over there. There's a shop app. It's real obvious when you see them. One of them says shop. Download it, and that's what you'll join the show today on. But we also have another app, and it's our Learn app. And that's the app where it's home base to my private membership, as well as to any online courses that you may have purchased from us. So when you download the app and then use your login, all of it's right there. But here's the best part. I have made a free online course that's sitting in that Learn app, ready and waiting for you, on how I built my 50-foot trellis tunnel. And I take you through those steps. So that's there, over there, ready and waiting. And so don't forget, get both the apps, they're free. But join me inside the shop app at 12 noon. And inside the app, you can watch the replays of previous shows. You can shop 24/7. We always have a deal of the day. And I will tell you that today's deal of the day is our number one product that we have sold since we started our business. 20% off, y'all. Don't forget about that. And just love giving away the $25 store credit to one lucky viewer. So join us over there. So I'll see you in just 11 minutes inside the app, y'all. So hope to see you over there. Ciao.